How to sign in to United Health Provider portal online. So let's get started. First, just head over to any favorite browser and simply search in for uhcprovider.com. So make sure you don't leave out the R over here. So uhcprovider.com. So simply hit the enter on your keyboard and you should officially redirect you to this page, which is the official page of United Healthcare portal. So to sign in, simply click on the sign in button over here, and once you click on it, you can basically enter your one healthcare ID or email address which you use to register and click on continue. So once you enter your email address or one healthcare ID which you use to register to your account, simply click on continue and you simply enter your password as well, and you should be successfully able to sign into your United Healthcare portal account online. And if you haven't created it already, you can simply click on this create one healthcare ID as well from over here by simply heading over to this new page and filling up all of the details over here. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.